Alright, so I previously had some skeleton code that was running that GUI earlier, and I've linked this into my motor control code. So right now I have Bluetooth running off my computer in a Python script through that GUI, which is connecting to this Pi, or sorry, not Pi, this ESP32. And this ESP32 is connected by UART to this one, and this ESP32 is running all the motors. Is running my motor from its driver. I have the limit, what will be my limit switch, and a physical e-stop over here. And now when I tell it, I can tell it to turn on from the GUI, and the motor will run. And I can also tell it to turn off from the GUI, and the motor will turn off. As you can see, if I do turn on, and then I do the limit switch, the motor will stop. If I turn it on again and I do the physical e-stop, it will turn off. So the plan, my next step will be, this one will have sensors integrated into it for the moisture to do the analog readings, and it will spit those analog readings back out onto this GUI, and I'll have some nice little user interface. And then this is the one that will send commands to start running the motors when those moisture sensor ADC values drop too low. But for now, this is where I'm at currently. I have the Bluetooth connection from my computer, which will be replaced by a Raspberry Pi and a touchscreen running that GUI. So that's Bluetooth to this ESP32. This is what's going to handle communications to the motor controller, to the motor controlling unit, and to all the sensors, relay data back to the GUI. And then this is what will be the motor controller, and we see it controlling one motor. That will also need a change to be controlling 3 motors. The 3 motors will require a lot more pins, as we can see. Some of these pins we won't actually need, but this way, by using the 2 ESP32s, we'll be able to handle enough input-outputs for our system.